Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt tired of your dull, tired skin? Or felt your heart sink seeing another breakout before an important day? You're not alone. I used to hide behind filters, hating the way my skin looked, avoiding pictures, and wishing I could feel confident without makeup. Imagine waking up, looking in the mirror, and smiling at yourself because your skin looks clear, fresh, and alive. That is what we are about to create together. Today, I'll show you a daily skincare routine that will give you glowing skin without expensive products or complicated steps, so you can finally feel confident, radiant, and comfortable in your skin. Stay with me till the end, because I'm also sharing my personal glow-up habits and bonus homemade glow mask recipe that changed my skin forever. Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Claudiora, and I help you glow inside and out with simple, effective routines you can do at home. Today's video is all about a daily skincare routine for glowing skin, even if you've struggled with dullness, acne, or uneven tone. This routine will help you achieve clear, radiant skin using affordable products and easy habits you can stick to. Grab your notebook, a cup of tea, and let's dive in step by step. Why your skin isn't glowing yet. Many people think glowing skin is only about expensive serums, but most times it's about consistency and understanding your skin. Your skin might look dull because of dehydration, lack of proper cleansing, poor diet, or using the wrong products. I was there too, thinking my skin was bad, but it was simply neglected. Today, let's change that. Understanding your skin type. First, let's identify your skin type. Dry, oily, combination, sensitive, reacts easily to products. Comment below with your skin type so I can guide you personally in future videos. Step 1. Cleansing morning and night. A clean canvas is essential for glow. Use a gentle cleanser that doesn't strip your skin. Massage for 60 seconds to remove dirt and dead skin cells. Apply cleanser on damp face. Massage in circles, especially around the nose and chin. Rinse with lukewarm water, pat dry. Recommendation: Cetaphil Cerave or African black soap if it suits you. Step 2. Toning optional but beneficial. Toners help balance your skin's pH and prep it for moisture. Recommended: Rose water hydrating, witch hazel for oily skin. Step 3. Serum for glow. Vitamin C serums are amazing for glow and hyperpigmentation. Apply to 3 drops on your face, press in gently. Recommended: The Ordinary Vitamin C Simple Glow Serum. Step 4. Moisturizing. Even oily skin needs moisture. Moisturizing helps your skin stay plump and hydrated. Recommendations: Nivea Soft CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. Shea Butter. Step 5. Sunscreen. No matter your skin tone, sunscreen is non-negotiable if you want glow. Apply a finger-length amount on face and neck. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours if outdoors. Recommended: Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Black Girl Sunscreen. Night routine adjustments. At night, skip sunscreen and add double cleansing if you wore makeup. Use a retinol serum 2 to 3x a week if you want anti-aging benefits. Apply lip balm to keep lips soft. Lifestyle habits for glowing skin. Skincare is not only what you apply but what you do daily. Drink enough water, add lemon or cucumber for extra detox. Eat fruits and vegetables, oranges, carrots, spinach. Get enough sleep 7-8 hours. Change your pillowcase often. Manage stress with journaling or walks. DIY glow mask recipe. Here's a quick glow mask I love. 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon turmeric, few drops of lemon juice, mix, apply for 10 minutes, rinse off. It brightens, hydrates, and soothes your skin naturally. Glowing skin is a journey, not an overnight magic. But with this simple, consistent routine, your skin will thank you, and you'll start seeing a fresh, radiant glow in as little as 3-4 weeks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more glow up and wellness routines. Comment glow if you're starting this routine today so I can cheer you on. Remember, you deserve to feel beautiful in your skin. Stay consistent, stay hydrated, and keep glowing. See you in my next video.